How to get promo codes for Domino's Pizza. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you how you can get promo code for Domino's Pizza. So if you guys want to get discounts, or if you want to get free delivery or anything related to that for your Domino's Pizza, this is what you do. Open up your Safari first. Then search for a website called couponfollow.com. This is the website right here. Now, before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your website and tap on the search bar on the top. Then simply search for Domino's Pizza. You'll find it right here. Just choose the one that's in your region. I'll just choose this Domino's Pizza. And after that, you'll find these mini coupons codes right here. What you'll need to do is choose whichever one that you want. You can see up to 45% off, 80% off. You will see $16, $20 off. And yeah, there are a lot of different options available. Choose any one. After you tap on one, it'll redirect you to another page, or you'll simply get a coupon right here in this page. So just there you will see a coupon available. This is not loading for some reason, but yeah, you will find that option, or you'll be directed directly to Domino's Pizza right here. And there you'll find the very same code or very same offer available, so you can go through with that. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and enjoy your pizza.